Hey, hi. So I came across this product called a Horse Hawk Pro. And since I'm planning to buy it, where I live, where in my country, we have houses with tiles on the top. Okay. Like the roof has tiles. So you kind of, sometime after years, you need to have a high pressure kind of washer to put up all that algae. So when I saw this advert, I considered it. Okay, so I'm going to share with you my research. I have to tell you that I haven't bought the product because recently I've been buying products and all of them don't work as they're advertised. So this one I decided to do first of all a research, and I was surprised that in Reddit there people have bought it on Facebook and different communities, as I'm going to share with you. So some of these products you don't have to first buy them to know if they work or not, because the communities online are enough to actually give you what to expect. So in the advert I saw, it was showing this Horsehawk Pro literally carving a totem pole in half. In fact, in adverts, you can assume it can cut the tree half into half. Okay. And with a garden hose. And I thought we need to talk about this. Okay. Now I tried to find lots of people who did bought this product, and I found some. Some of them are on Facebook groups and all that stuff. I found some on YouTube. Though on YouTube, most of them are AI videos. So I decided, you know what? Let me try to do something to help someone who can be like me, who's trying to decide if this is true or not. Okay, so their ad says it can build up to 3,000 PSI. Now here's the problem is that, your garden hose runs at about 40 to 80 PSI from the tap. Okay, now that is normal. Okay, some people may not know that, but that is actually truth. A nozzle attachment cannot create pressure that is not already there. There's no pump, there's no motor, there's no extra energy going in. So where is that 3,000 psi coming from? Nowhere. It doesn't exist. Okay, now there are some things which you don't really have to first buy to confirm. There are some things which is just physics. So if your garden hose runs at about like 40 to 80 PCI from the top, how is this going to increase it to 3,000 PCI? Okay, it's kind of really crazy. Okay, so a nozzle speeds up water, but it can't multiply pressure. That is a key point. Okay, you can. So some of these things, I believe these days advertisements, especially since I think November last year, there's a crazy way of advertising products, and I think it's a new norm. But the truth is, most of these advertisements they kind of exaggerate. Okay, that's the truth. So make this pump doesn't can't really increase your pressure to 3,000 PCI. You don't have to first buy to kind of confirm about this. Okay, and now the thing is, this is not just this one product. There are so many ads that basically exploded in the last, as I've told you, in the since November, and it's always the same formula. I've seen pool water cleaners being exaggerated. I've seen car sprays that really they tell you like they work better than actually taking your car for. So what I believe is this product is a bit, the advertisement that they use is a bit is a bit misleading. Okay, it's not even a bit misleading. It's 100% misleading. This thing can't really cut even a tree and a half, as I saw. So, but the product itself, it might actually be fine for light cleaning. Okay, maybe raising your car, maybe face cleaning, garden watering, outdoor furniture washing, driveway maintenance, window cleaning, tool washing, pet raising. And if it's cheap enough and it sprays better than a basic nozzle, maybe there's value there. But don't buy it thinking you're going to get a pressure washer. You're not, okay? It can't really be a pressure washer, which can really increase your, pressure to 3000 PSI. Okay, so that's what I think is obvious. Okay, now these guys, when you buy, definitely they will ship to you. They're not going to scam your money. When I went to Transparent, people really did, when they paid, they really did get the products, but they couldn't do, the product didn't work as advertised. So the problem is the way these products are advertised are too hyped. Okay, and some of this hype, scientifically, you can agree with me, it can't really work like that. So do you want to buy it? Definitely you can buy it if you kind of if you want it for basic stuff. But if you're buying it because of the hype, the pressure that they're telling you, definitely it's kind of a lie. Okay, that's what I can say. Okay, but definitely it's a cool product. Because when I went to the Facebook groups, some people were using on their, for basic stuff, racing their cars, something like that, normal stuff. But for high pressure, like in my case, I really need something which is really, the pressure has to be really stronger than a normal, garden hose. So this personally, I think may not really work for me. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video, and bye bye. Okay.